Hello everybody, it's me Alonzo. Got a Rubik's Cube here. I've been practicing for a while, trying to see how fast I can solve it. So, got a timer here. So let's see, we're going to get started. We're going to start at when it gets to 30 seconds, okay? See how long it takes me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And we're done. That was in 40, 30 seconds, about 2 minutes, I think. Anyways, that was pretty fast, I guess. My record was 1:36 the other day at work. If you guys want to learn how to do it, let me know. Hope you're alright. Bye.